What's going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have a 2024 Ford F450 Platinum Edition, which has the 6.7 Power Stroke Turbo Diesel engine. Now this thing is already a workhorse, but what I want to do here for this video is give you guys a little bit of taste of what's going to be happening in this series, because yes, that is right, we are going to be filming a series of this build. It is just too much to film in one video, and we figured why not break it up for you guys. So some of the things that are gonna be happening to this build is we're gonna be having a 4-inch Wicked lift kit, and man, am I excited to see that on this bad boy. Not only with the lift kit, we are gonna be putting some huge American Force wheels on this thing with some Nitto tires. Now on top of this lift kit and wheels combo, we are gonna be doing everything you could possibly think paint to match. Now I don't wanna give exactly what away we will be doing, but I want to save that for the next video. So just make sure, keep that in mind. Paint to match coming soon with as many parts as possible. Now after the paint match, we are going to be doing a plethora of lighting, whether that is RGB lights, side marker lights, changing out a whole slew of things on this bad boy. But guys, I wanted to give you guys a look at what it really looked like in its full factory form, because once we're done with it, it's going to be unrecognizable as to what this thing is going to be turning into. So guys, it is time to get this thing actually over to the shop and get it paint matched first before we get working on this thing. Maybe leave a comment down below as to what you're most excited to see, or maybe what you would have done if this was your F450 build. So smack that like button, leave the comment down below, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and join the KHC family, and stay tuned to more episodes with this.